Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have some cases from Armadillo Tek for your OnePlus 9 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have one more case for your OnePlus 9 Pro. This case comes from Armadillo Tek, which is a company out of Dallas. Paul is always on Twitter, and he really makes some great cases. This is their CaseBorne case. So if you haven't checked out Armadillo Tek, definitely check out their cases. They have a lot of different cases for a lot of different devices, and this is a new one. Actually, I've been using this case for about 3 weeks now, so I'm trying to do the case review a little bit different, give you my overall experience with the case for using it for a while. You can get this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. I need to give a shout out to Armadillo Tek for actually sending this case to me for a review. Yes, it is clear. Look at that. It looks great. It shows off the beauty of your phone. But look at the packaging too. Bam. You can actually check out their website, and you can actually register your device there too. It says it's okay to drop your phone. Funny story, I did drop my phone, and the phone is okay too. But let's see what you get in the packaging. It's the same case in either one, but let's check it out. So I'm gonna just show y'all what you get in there. Pretty simple, a little card. Same thing you get on the case itself. There you go. Don't return it to the shop, contact them before. But let's go over the case and see how it fits and everything. Alright, so everything lines up at the bottom. All the cutouts at the top, the vine rockers, power button is easy to get to. See, vine rockers are easy to press. The alert slider is easy to get to too. Look at that. You have a lot of room in there. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. So you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. The camera protection also looks great too. The overall fit of the device, I mean, look, it's nice and snug on top and bottom, and the size too. Does it add much bulk to your phone? No, it does not. Does not add much bulk to your phone, so it's great. And it protects it. I did drop the phone with the case on it, and I have no scratches on the phone at all. No dents or nothing. Look, my phone looks brand new. Now in the case, can't really see it on the camera here, but it does have a couple scratches, which is okay because it protected my phone. I can't really pick it up. They have scratches on there. Look at that, a little brand in there too. So this is a great case for the OnePlus 9 Pro. I definitely like a CaseBorne case. Can you wireless charge? As you can see there, you can wireless charge with the OnePlus 9 Pro with the case on there too. So like I said, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.